Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to track credit utilization in Bluevine. Keeping an eye on your credit utilization helps you to manage borrowing responsibly and also to improve your overall credit health. Bluevine makes this simple. Here's how to track it. First step is to log into your Bluevine account via the website or mobile app. Then navigate to the credit line section. Check your available credit versus outstanding balance. Utilization is calculated by dividing the balance by your total credit limits. For example, if your limit is $20,000 and you've used $8,000, then your utilization is only 40%. Click into view details to see a breakdown of each draw and of course how much of your credit line is currently in use. You can compare your utilization across time by reviewing payment histories and past balances. Aim to keep utilization under 30% whenever possible, to help you to maintain financial flexibility and strengthen your credit profile. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.